So this is video number 3, and hopefully you will start to see a theme. Oh, by the way, this is Michael with New Victory Gardening. So there's produce on the plants, but I'm not taking all the produce off of the plants at any one time, and I'm kind of looking at the plants to see when things will be big ready or big enough to eat, and kind of planning how I'll take and planning what I'll eat. You see there's greens there and other things that I'm not taking. That's on purpose so that I can harvest a little every day and eat it. And so here's the harvest.